Good morning. Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are going to be doing a morning routine. It's summer, still in quarantine, hopefully busy day. Laying in my bed right now. I just woke up. The weirdest thing always happens. I wake up at the exact same time every morning naturally. It is so strange, but I'm not complaining. So yeah, I just woke up. The first thing that I do, well, should I like finish my intro? Subscribe if you're not already. Like that was really annoying. Subscribe if you're not already. Follow me on Instagram if you're not. Yeah, I guess that's my intro. Okay, so first thing that I do after I wake up, I like go on my phone really quickly. I see who texted me. I don't respond. Then I head over to the bathroom. We're in the bathroom now. I go to the bathroom, obviously. Yeah, I start responding to text messages as I'm like getting ready in here. I don't know why I don't respond to text messages when I'm like in bed. I probably should, but I don't. Yeah, welcome to my morning. This is a mess. I should really organize this. I brush my teeth, wash my face. I'll set you down. Oh, you can't even see me. Brush our teeth. Saving water, am I right? This is not my best angle. Oh, that almost got in my hair. I always forget a hair tie, so I have like my makeshift bun going for when I wash my face, and it just stays. I don't really know how. It like defies physics. Oh, hot. Using Cetaphil, how original of me. The sarcasm is out way too early this morning. Feels weird washing my face with Cetaphil because you can't see it, so it looks like I'm just rubbing my face. Done with that. We're back in my room. Somehow this bun is just staying in. How? Woohoo. It's literally the morning for me. Like, I started filming this video 20 minutes after I woke up, so you can just see my morning personality just coming out. Oof. Okay, I'm gonna do the bare minimum for my skincare right now because I want to work out and I'm probably just gonna shower after that, so there's like no point in like doing a full skincare thing, but my skin needs moisturizer or else it's going to hate me. I've been using the Clinique Moisture Surge Intense. I just have been having really dry skin recently, and this has been nice for my really dry skin recently. Just a little bit, and then yeah, put it on like everyone else puts moisturizer on. It's nothing special, nothing new. This video is also not sponsored in any way, shape, or form, so everything that I'm using I genuinely like. Beautiful. I'm getting some Snapchats. Oh, my friend sent me a video.
I realized how terrible my side profile is, and it really just kind of, oh, so ugly.
Okay, next up, I want to start getting ready to work out. I normally make my bed link later in the day, so we'll let her be messy for right now. What was I saying? It's just early to think. I think I was gonna get ready to go work out. So I have a treadmill in my filming room that I like to walk / like run on in the morning. I don't do this every single morning. I'm trying to get better at doing it every single morning. I just like hate the whole idea of like me sweating. People that work out every single day, like when you sweat, like do you have to shower every day? Because I just don't like smelling bad, but I also don't like showering every day because it's like bad for your hair and skin. Dog toy. Oh my gosh, last night, this is like so irrelevant, but last night I was laying in my bed minding my own business and I hear this squeak out of nowhere and it like made me jump because like it was completely silent. I didn't do anything about it because I was like, oh, my dog has a toy. I'm laying there for a couple minutes and I feel this sense of like someone watching me, and I was like, okay, what's going on? So I like look over my bed. I'm here. I look down. My dog's standing right here staring at me with that toy in her mouth, shaking her tail, just like waiting for me to throw. It was 2 a.m. Like, girl, not the place. Read the room. Anyways, let's find something to wear. I need to do my laundry, as you can tell. Maybe I'll do it today. I probably should do it today. I'll wear these. Do I have the matching sports bra? I don't think I do, so I guess we'll not match today. We'll unmatch. Yeah, because no one will see me. The shoes. Oh, they fell out of frame. Workout time. Need to move that first time. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Ah! Okay, so I normally just walk on this for about 30 minutes. I try to run. Doesn't always happen. Sometimes I feel lazy. Just finished. Now I think I want to get some water and take a shower because I feel, do you see the sweat on my lip? Oh my god, I feel gross. Before I shower, I just kind of want to like sit, breathe. I want to finish some work stuff, checking my emails, and then I want to do promo for a video. I uploaded virtual sorority recruitment like advice yesterday, but I didn't promo it because I got busy and forgot. So I'm gonna do that on my Instagram. Again, shameless self promo. If you're not following my Instagram, do it. Does anyone else hate how the video always plays immediately? Like this, how that always plays, I can't stand it. It just drives me insane. I always go into unfold, have it saved. Here we go. This one. Beautiful. I need water. I ended up a brain freeze. I was so cold. Do I not know how to drink water? I've just been reading the Kylie Jenner drama on Twitter, procrastinating showering, but I really should, but I don't want to. I probably should do it. Yeah, okay, I'll do it, I guess. Hello, back. Towel. Put on the same outfit that I wore to bed. Does anyone else do that where they shower and then they put back on their dirty clothes just because they're comfortable? I don't know. I need to film a video today, so I'm going to get ready for that. Most of the time if I'm not filming a video, I like don't wear makeup or don't look that nice, but since I'm filming, I want to impress you guys. Did I just spray the camera? I don't think so. I sprayed my ear though. I'm kind of getting hungry. I might get a little snack while I get ready. I haven't eaten anything today. Let's do that. I always hold off brushing my hair to the very last minute, which I know is horrible because it makes it more tangly and there's more knots and it's dry, and it's just, I don't know why I do it, but I do it. So I just look like this for a really long time. Got my apples, breakfast, yum. Time to get ready and do something about my hair.
Stuff that you've been worrying about. Never mind all the people trying to bring you down. Or never mind all the things that's been going on. I just wanna never mind. Right now it's time to thank him. Thank you, Lord, for all you do for me, for all you've done for me, for how you loving me. Thank you, Lord, for how you care for me.
Just finished my makeup. I want to do my hair, but it's still a little wet in the back and I don't want to blow dry it. The boy I'm in love with just Snapchatted me. I was trying to decide whether I wait to respond or if I just respond now. And at first I was like, no, I should wait. But now I'm like, you know, no. I'm too old. I don't play games. Here we go. And by boy I'm in love with, I mean like I think he's attractive. All the boys I'm talking to right now are watching this and they're like, is it me? I think that while I wait for the back of my hair to dry, I might go over my notes for this video because I tried filming it yesterday. Didn't turn out that well, so I gave up and decided to film it today. And I think that it's because my notes were very unorganized. So I think I want to go through and just like clean them up.
You always there for me. You said you never leave. I just wanna never mind all the things going on in my mind. Never mind right now, just
that did not take as long as I thought it was going to, so I still have wet hair. I'm probably just gonna respond to some DMs right now then. I just posted it. You guys want to go to this photo and say that this video showed you or whatever sent you here? I don't even know. You can. If not, that's cool too. I decided to make lunch with my time that I had to waste. Yeah, I'm making chicken and pasta. My little helper. Oh no, stop wailing over. Please stop wailing over. I was going to make it super pretty, but then that like didn't happen. So here's the most basic meal in the world that's probably not very healthy, but at least there's a cute dog right there. Every time I straighten my hair, it brings me back to when I was 15 years old and people would drag me in the comments for straightening my already straight hair. And I think it's so funny now that I'm 20, I get dragged for not putting enough effort into my appearance. I hope that does not come off as like complaining about being dragged. Drag me for whatever you want. Now I need to decide what I want to wear. Always the hardest part. This might take a minute. I'll update you when I figure something out. Okay, we're getting ready to film. I need to focus myself. I'll show you guys some of the behind the scenes stuff. I have my laptop here. It's gonna focus me. Am I focused? Cool. Okay, I always put this blanket over the laptop because the laptop overheats and I don't want you to hear that in my video. My camera battery is dying on this. Cool. The first thing I always do when I film these videos is I start off like posing for a thumbnail and then I just start talking. So I'll see you when I'm done. Okay, I just finished filming. My memory card was full in the middle of the video. I really hope I didn't lose that footage. Oh my gosh, wait, did I lose the footage? I need to turn all these lights off. I think what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day is just edit this video. It is far past the morning. It's definitely like the afternoon right now. So I'm gonna end this video here. I hope that you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. I have a ton of like back to school, college videos coming up. Follow me on Instagram if you're not already. I love to talk to you guys on there. So fun. One of my favorite ways to like communicate with you guys. So follow me. I've said follow me so many times in this video. I'm sorry. But I love you guys. I hope that you like this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.